In the shadowy realm of cyber espionage, two incidents stand out: the Midnight Blizzard and Cloudflare Atlassian breaches. Please subscribe to the channel. These events not only shook the tech world, but also exposed the fragility of SaaS platforms to sophisticated cyber threats. The Midnight Blizzard, a Russian hacker group, infiltrated Microsoft with a chilling precision. They bypassed security by password spraying test accounts lacking multi-factor authentication. Once inside, they hijacked a legacy OAuth app, granting themselves high-level access and the ability to view and exfiltrate emails from senior staff members. This breach was a stark reminder of the importance of robust security measures. On Thanksgiving Day, Cloudflare's Atlassian systems fell victim to a nation-state attack. Compromised credentials from a previous Okta breach were the culprits, leading to unauthorized access to Cloudflare's internal systems and potential exfiltration of key operational technologies. This breach highlighted the critical need for continuous credential updates and monitoring. These breaches are not isolated incidents, but part of a disturbing trend of nation-state actors targeting CIS providers for espionage. They underscore the necessity for vigilant CIS environment monitoring and stringent third-party app risk management. To combat these threats, continuous monitoring and proactive CIS security posture management, SSPM, are essential. Platforms like Apomni can detect initial access breaches, scan for compromised auth permissions, and monitor for changes in access policies, helping to break the kill chain and protect sensitive data. Please subscribe to the channel.